Hello everyone, welcome to SaaS Deal Zone new review video. In this video tutorial, you are going to learn what is FlexClip and how you can use it. If you are new here, make sure subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for update video notification. FlexClip is a web-based video editing platform and you can easily create various types of video clips through FlexClip. There are many options available in FlexClip, such as you can easily create slideshow maker, meme generator, GIF maker, screen recorder, convert audio, and change video speed, trim video, merge video, compress video, convert video, and so on. Here you can see more option available here, like add music to video, add text to video, add watermark, add transaction effect, picture in picture, motion graphic, and so on. Let's talk about FlexClip pricing plan. FlexClip offer both monthly subscription and lifetime plan, giving user the flexibility to choose the option that best fits for their needs and budget. Here you can see there are three plans available in monthly subscription, which is one is free, second one is plus $9.99 a month, and third one is business plan, $19.99 a month. So if you want to buy business plan for lifetime, here is the good news is FlexClip is available on the AppSumo. So you can buy here for the lifetime. If you want to buy this amazing tool for lifetime, don't forget to check our video description box. FlexClip web-based video editing tool alternative for Adobe Premiere Pro, iMovie, and Capwing. You can see there are many amazing options available in FlexClip. If you want to buy one quote, you can buy their standard plan. And if you want to buy business plan, you can see here is the business plan. If you want to buy business plan like high resolution video, unlimited stock video, unlimited stock audio, AI credit, and so much option available here. If you want to buy this premium business monthly plan for lifetime, you have to buy 3 code from AppSumo, then you can get FlexClip business plan. So let's jump into the FlexClip dashboard. So here is the dashboard of FlexClip video editor. You can see here, here is the many category available here. Here is the personal category, and you can see here the many subcategory available here, like birthday, wedding, anniversary, baby, family, travel, memorial, and so on. And here is the another category, which is business and service category, and lots of subcategory available here. Like if you have a business for promotional and sales video, then you can create a video for real estate client and fashion and beauty client, sports and fitness, restaurant and food, health and wellness, technology, automotive. For corporate category, you can here you can see there are many options available here. And for the e-commerce store, you can create a store type of video for promotional video for your client. And for marketing, here is the many marketing materials available here. And creative category, there are many options for available here. You can see here's the creative category subcategory available here. And social media, if you want to create a specifically dedicated for video for YouTube, Instagram Reel, Instagram Story, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, you can see here the available options here. And you can also create a community related video, and here is the subcategory. So I think FlexClip is a complete package for a business owner, for an agency owner who want to make a video clip for their client. So I especially recommended this tool. This is a very amazing tool for your personal and business users. So if you want to create a video for your client and for your agency, you have to just create a project, or you have to create a video options here. Just select on the create a video options, and select your desired template or desired size or ratio. So I decided to create a this square type of ratio and get started. Here is the FlexClip dashboard. You can upload your own recorded video footage here. You just have to import a media or your video, just drag and drop this file here. If you don't have any recorded video for yourself, then you can click these options, and you can upload FlexClip video footage, which is copyright free. You can find here unlimited video template for various videos category. You have to just search your desired video category for your desired niche. Like I search here travel. I have a travel blog, or I have a travel Facebook page or YouTube channel. So I want to create a video for my travel YouTube channel or travel page. Just you have to select your video template or video footage here. You can see here is the 267 travel template here available here. I mean, you can create a video for your travel blog, or travel YouTube channel or travel Facebook page just by using their stock footage. Okay, and these stock footage are completely copyright free for FlexClip page user. So you can see here is the footage overview. Okay, here you can see I already added my 7 video footage in my timeline, and you can see here is my footage, which is 26-second video length. You can add or more video footage here for your desired template, and you can edit this footage for your desired criteria or desired client needs. So here is, you can see you can easily switch your desired ratio, footage or video ratio, and here is the 5 options available here. And you can edit text here. I mean, you can add your text in your video. So you can easily add various type of style and font and text in your video. And here is the subtitle option. After exporting your video, you can add your footage for auto subtitle. It will be automatically generated from FlexClip. Or if you want to create a manual subtitle, you can click here. Or you can add videos, footage, or photos, AI photos, audios, element, overlay, background. There are so many options available here. So if you finish the video project, like this is the travel video, or my travel page, then you can export here. Okay, just click on the export video button, and here is the 3 options available here. One is 480 pixel and 720 pixel and high resolution, which is if you are a business member or if you buy a FlexClip business lifetime plan, you can export high quality video here. Just export this video and your video will be exported. So I hope you will get your idea how FlexClip will work and how to use this amazing tool. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with others. And if you want to buy this amazing tool for lifetime, please check in the video description box. So that's all for today. Thank you guys.